So this is the second video. This will be a short one on the Weymann Parlor guitar restoration. I noted before that the bridge was pulled off and there's quite a bit of tear out here, but there's also tear out underneath. There's a photo from the inside where the bridge pins were pulled through. So what I have to do is to make that so that the bridge pins won't be pulled through on the other side. Currently underneath there's a brace that goes from here all the way across to here. Now I say brace loosely because it's actually in the shape of a bridge plate, but it's made out of spruce. Hence the reason I think that these heavy strings pulled right through. And when I did that, it pulled out a bunch of material underneath. So I can't really take off this brace slash bridge plate because it does stretch all the way across the guitar, and I don't know what I'd be running into there if I did. So I bought this bridge plate mate to go underneath there to give it support, and I realized that that was probably a little bit small, so I made another one that was a little bit larger and should cover a little bit more of the area underneath. It actually runs from right about here over to here now, and there's extra on both sides, as you can see here. So the holes are the same spacing. It's nice to have access to a Bridgeport milling machine. So my next move will be to take this little piece here that I have made, and this is just to fill underneath here. Now this is actually, that piece of wood is actually 75 thousandths thick. Here's another piece. I routed that down to 75 thousandths thick, and now you can see it sort of covers that place in between here, and here, all the way across, to give this plate some support so that it won't be pulling on a hollow spot. So then this plate will then go underneath there, and it will pull up against this piece here that I put in. To glue that in, I'm going to be using the JB Weld wood weld. Not sure if it's I think it's an epoxy. It's a two-part piece, but it is sandable, and from all reviews it's supposed to hold really good. But I'm not really needing it to hold anything. I'm needing it more to just fill the voids and take up space, because this will actually, which will be two-way tape to the bottom, that's what will actually be holding the bridge pins and the strings in. And after I'm done with that, then I'll move on to filling this part of the top right here. I'm going to router out a piece, very thin piece, put a piece of veneer, glue a piece of veneer on top of there, and then bring it all to the same height so that I can put the bridge on. But that's where we stand for now, and we'll see you later.